Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. My king is true, born in a manger. To a virgin woman, the word was given and he became man. Everywhere he went, signs and wonders that made the people wonder. What manner of man is this that can make the lame walk and the blind see? And he came, everything then changed. He gave me a new name. All the old things were passed away. With his blood he washed away. All the guilt and the shame. Now we stand and proclaim in Jesus' name. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. A crown of thorns for me, your hands with pierced for me, your body bruised for me. You died that I might live. No other love like this, to lay your life out of love for me. Lord, I love you so, so, so much. Now I live in victory. Your precious life you gave to me. You gave it freely, I didn't earn it, you qualified me. Now I am royalty, yeah, because you live inside of me. A new creation, you have made us just like Jesus. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. When you came, everything changed, everything changed. Where I once was, who I once was, when I was lost. Never the same, my life changed, never the same. Nobody can take me away. From your love, from your love. Nobody can take me away. Nobody, so many things come to my mind. Like how could a man lay down his life just to save mine? Who would have thought that the Messiah would lay down his life on the line just to save mankind? You came and you changed my life. You came and you made me smile. You came and you brightened my whole life, my whole life. You came, now I sing and shout. You came and you made me smile. You came and you brightened my whole life, my whole life. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. No greater love than your love. No greater love than your love, my greatest love. No greater love than your love, my greatest love. No greater love than your love, my greatest love. No greater love than your love. I don't need nobody else. I got you out there, oh yeah, alright. With you in my life, I don't say everything sweet like fire, life. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. You changed my life. You came and you made me smile. You came and you brightened my whole life, my whole life. You came, now I sing and shout. You came and you made me smile. You came and you brightened my whole life, my whole life. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love, I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. You in my life makes me alive. You in my life makes me alive, oh yeah. You give me love, I can't deny. Your love is sweet, I cannot lie, oh yeah. No greater love than your love. No greater love than your love, no greater love than your love. No greater love than your love, no greater love than your love. No greater love than your love, no greater love than your love. No greater love than your love. Nobody can take me away. Nobody can take me away from your love, from your love. Nobody can take me away. Nobody can take me away from your love, from your love. Mighty creator, beautiful savior, nobody like you. Oh, Lord, you're a wonder, nobody like you. I wouldn't trade you for silver or gold, no. Walking down the road, I see. Trying to let it all go, so I can freely follow. I know that I should cast my cares on you. Sometimes it's hard to let go. So I'll trust in your word for me, 'cause I know in you I am complete. Whatever it is, whatever may be, I know you'll never leave me. So I let go. So I let go. No more about no. Let go. So I let go. I come to you withholding nothing. With my hands up high, I'm singing your praises. I've left all that behind, I'm following you high. There's no going back down, I'm holding on you tight.
What's up, chat? What's up, gang? Good morning. Happy Monday. Drop the energies in the chat. Let's go. Energies in the chat.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. So you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment.
What's up, Riz? How you doing? Good morning. Shout out to 9 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Good morning, everybody.
If it was up to him, the push would still be alive. So
Good
pray for me,
morning.
pray for YG,
Morning.
pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, H Jade and Clean.
Good
Indiana
morning.
Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Way, the real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped fool. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out. Blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights.
Good morning, Miss Lala. How you doing? What's up? What's up, everybody? Man, today the volume is crazy. PB, how you doing? Good morning. It's the same thing today. It's the same how this candle move. Holy. How I handling this market? I'm still following plans, following my rules. But I should lower my lot, You should lower your risk here. Because 0.01 might wipe out all of your account. Might wipe out the account. So damn. Holy. Would you look at that? 5 minutes candle move 400, 500 pips. Damn. I don't really know when we gonna, come back to normal, but this market condition is crazy. If you don't know how to trade this kind of market condition, man, you will lose a lot of money. So probably in this kind of market condition, too many people lose a lot of money, right? And probably 1 to 3% are really profitable on this kind of market condition. 97% is losing money. This is massive, massive. We cannot do anything here. We cannot, if you wanna take trades, you can take trades, but you should lower your risk. You don't need to you don't need to rush the profits because it's all gonna be a gambling. For me, I am gonna use 0.01 here today. If we see some trade. So yeah, shout out to 12 viewers right now. Let me do the top-down analysis here. Let's start with the monthly time frame because we start monthly time frame. We have open new candles. So the monthly time frame, as you can see here on price, the previous support is right here. We have a support form on 3,400 area. And we don't have we don't have any resistance form, but we can use the wicks, the all-time high, as a resistance, as a logical resistance. And as you can see, we have a wicks on the left hand side. This monthly candle can rip up once again, okay? So because we don't have any resistance yet, this can happen here. All right, we have a wick fill on the left hand side. This can happen once again. Once you flip bullish and then the buying momentum is in the market once again, we might see some wick fill going up, retesting the high once again. So that's gonna be a monthly. Let's drop down to the weekly time frame. So the weekly, as you can see here on price, last week we have a huge rejection here on price. So as you can see, this kind of move is, it's massive. It's 10,000 pip move going up and going down. Almost 10,000 is 9,000 pip move. And right now we got open of a new candle. And we always talk about this kind of move, about this kind of corrections, because On the weekly candle, as you can see, we had a gap here. That's it already filled just for the day. We have a gap here, and I believe in the day there's too many gap in has been filled already. Okay, so that's gonna be a weekly. We have a resistance form here. We have a support form down here. I believe we almost tapped the support on the weekly. Like 500 more pips to tap the support, but we have a reactions on the weekly candle, right? So let's drop it down to the daily time frame. So the daily, as you can see, how the candles are big, right? Resistance form. We had probably support form right here. Gap, as you can see, we have a gap here too. Gap here. So the next support, we have a support form right here. The next support is down here, right? We tap it and then we react. The major support level is gonna be 4360 area here. But let's see if we're gonna push down heavy on if we're gonna push more towards to 4200 today. Let's drop down to the 4 hour time frame. So the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, is like it's looked like Burj Khalifa. So as you can see, so we got uh, it looks like Burj Khalifa, right? So we got high here, the body. So we got resistance here, right? And we have a support form, break the support, push down heavy. As you can see, this is the support level that we need to be aware of, 4565 area. So yeah, right now we're flipping bullish on the 4 hour time frame. Let's see if we're gonna move down. Hourly time frame. So the hourly, it's about to close in 21 minutes. And as you can see here on price, we have a massive move towards to the downside here. Crazy volume, massive. 30 minutes. Yeah. So we got support form, right? After support form, we have a bullish closure. Let's see how this candle gonna close. Let's drop down to the 15. All right. So as you can see, the 15, we have a clean traffic. So we have a support form right here. Resistance probably up here at 4688 for 4688. Let's see how the candle's gonna react here on price. So yeah, man. Chat, this is gonna be a range, big range, massive range. It's a 2000 pip range, clean traffic, as you can see. Let's see if we're gonna have some trades today. Ooh, oh, would you look at that? 15 minutes time frame move, 450 pips. Damn. Oh. Gang, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Make sure drop a like, subs to the channel. Drop a like and subscribe to the channel. And right now, I know we have a lot of volume, as you can see, but you need to ask yourself, okay? You need to ask yourself if there is a good chance to trade. If there is a good setup to trade, you always need to ask yourself. If you don't have, if you don't have any setup, don't take any trade because you think it will go further down today. Let's see if this candle close, probably, if because right now we have some retracement, right? We're creating a new high, and as you can see, we have a structure here: highs and the low, highs and the low, highs and the low, highs and the low. Let's see if we're gonna tap here 4690 and then retest once again the low here. Because once you break this support, yeah, there's a high chance that we can probably continue down 4200 today. But we need to wait here to react. Some reactions, candle reactions. And 4690. But on this week's on the left hand side, as you can see, this one, candles can react here once you tap. Candles can react too. Let's see. Right now we're retracing. We're pushing up. The hourly are pushing up. The 4 hour pushing up. The daily still bearish. Yeah. So let's see. We're gonna flip bullish today. Regular. Oh, okay. Sorry. I'm gonna update that. So 00 for this month. Thank you for that, brother. All right, we're good. We're Gucci. We're Gucci. Yes, we are on February. Gang, make sure you like the stream, alright? Can I see 20 likes in the stream? Like the stream, gang. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Like and subs to the channel. 3 minutes for candle to close. Alright, we see reactions. See, look at that. Tapping the wicks on the left. We react 150 pips. New month, new W's. Yeah. We're going to get dubs today. 0.01 lat. You will see 0.01 lat size. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Drop it in the chat. Possible target for the day? I cannot tell that, nobody knows, right? So we are basing on the daily time frame. If you are gonna look for, because right now we are, in the bearish trend, right? And it depends how you're gonna, react to the market. It depends how you're gonna react to the price. So nobody knows where's the price gonna head. You just need to adapt. Okay. And for me, as a trader, as a session trader, I never, run it trades with the, I never intraday, I never, hold the trades longer. I always hold only 15, 30 minutes maximum on the trade. So yeah. But right now, as you can see, we're retracing, right? The gold is retracing. We top 4,403 and we're reacting. And as you can see, we're heading, retracing. We have a clean traffic towards to the upside. Let's see if we can form a resistance form. So waiting for the support to build up. We got the support already, right? If you wanna follow the trend, we need to wait for resistance form. And it's gonna looks like this. As you can see here on price, we have a support form. The candles push up. What we need to wait is resistance form like this. The price to move down once again to retest this low. That's gonna be the idea. Right, so let's see. Because right now we have huge range. It's a massive 2,300 pip range. Damn. If this kind of what do you call this kind of market condition ends in the year, man, this is gonna be it's really hard. It's really hard to raise more, right? Your $1,000 account can lose in a day because if you use 0.01 lot and then candles move 400 500 pips, then that's gonna good idea, to take trade. Damn. Boom. Oh, lit. I don't know if we gonna come back to normal again. Damn. It was, crazy volume. Crazy volume here. Too many people been, lose a lot of money trading gold. If this is the new normal, move on gold, man. Oh, lit. Mm, 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 mm. Would you look at that? 1,000 pip move. We start here. It's 2,000 pip move. Holy. 2,000 pip move. Now, what's the deal, gang? What's the plan? What's your plan? Now we're gonna wait for this candle to, form a new resistance. We're going to wait for a new resistance form. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Any questions? Let me know in the chat. What questions do you want, guys? What questions? Holy. Damn, Goldie. Goldie. How you doing? Do you look at lower time frame? Yeah, I look on the 30, 15, 1 hour time frame. But 5 minutes below, no, I'm not gonna look on 5 minutes below. Only my lower time frame is 15 and 30 minutes time frame. Oh, it's flipping bearish. Holy. What's up, Muzom? How you doing? How's the funded account, bro? How's the funded account? Being funded trader? Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. How I manage my risks right now? I lower my risk. You know, I lower it from 1% to 0.1% or maximum 0.5%. That's gonna be my risk. Mm.
How do you become Raja Banks? First, go to.
Raja Banks is live too. You should lower your risks, otherwise, man, it's gonna be hard to take trades on this kind of market condition. Look at this 5 minutes candle. Oh, move 380, 38 pips. Chat, make sure you like the stream, alright? Like the stream, subs to the channel. We're gonna wait here for a new resistance form. New resistance is gonna be a good idea here to take a sell. No resistance, no Benoski. Mhm. Damn, Goldie. Damn, Goldie. Man, if this is the new normal on gold, holy. Ah. Ah. 3 minutes for candle to close. 3 minutes. Chat, you have any questions? Let me know. Make sure drop a like. Drop a like. Subs to the channels. Drop a like. Subs to the channel. 60 more subscriber for a 1K subs. Let's go. 60 more. One minute for candle to close. Toot. If we can grab impulse here, damn, stop loss gonna be 100 pips. Holy. If we can create at least top wick, eh, but the stop loss is gonna be, yeah, 100 pip minimum here. Damn, Goldie. Rejecting there, we can grab an impulse sales here. Ooh, wow. Yep. This is gonna be 120, 30 pips. Holy. Holy. Ah, Goldie. Why you don't switch on the currency? No, I don't want to switch on the currency. I don't want to switch there. Oh, we rebroke the lows. Oh, I'm late. Holy. It's okay. We rebroke the lows. We rebroke the lows. Rebroke the lows. Damn, gang, it's really risky to take a trade here. I am, it's really risky to call a trade too. Because you guys are, I don't know how much you're risking, but it's really risky. But this is a good idea for an impulse sales here. Impulse sales. Would you look at that 220 pip move? Would you look at that? Market condition, holy, no good. No good. What's up, Sia? How you doing? How you doing? You took this impulse sales? Yeah, I'm about to take an impulse, but I don't want to call the trade of 160 pip, 68 pip stop loss. You know where you're gonna put the stops there. It's really risky to take that. But if you got the sales there, good job. It moved 220 pips. It moved 220 pips. You know, it's really hard to take a trade. Really hard, you know. In this kind of volume. Man, that was crazy. Move 380 pip. But yeah, that is okay, you know, if we can lower down our risk. I can use the 180, 160 pip stops. If I can use 0.1, yeah, it's $160 here. Yeah, I probably gonna take that next time. Probably tomorrow, or let's see how this candle close. Early open. Oh, 'Let's see if we're gonna close bearish. If this candle close bearish, yeah, we might have potential sells, because this is gonna be an impulse sells in 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Do 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 do. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Oh, flip bullish. Oh, flip bullish. Now we re-broke the high. Oh, we re-broke. Uh, Goldie, man. See, look at that. Oh, 660 pips. Move on the 15 minutes candle. Damn it. Massive. It's massive move. Maybe it will top 4690 area at this point. Yeah, maybe, but let's see. We need time. But any resistance form here, man, this is gonna be a nice trade, a nice clean trade. Any resistance form, this is gonna be a nice trade. Once we wait for a new resistance form, we'll probably run towards the downside. Because the structure is up here, so you need to broke this structure enable for you to push up once again. So once it broke and the price reacts here and then decides to break again here, it will push up. Right now, there's no break of structure here. We're still on the bearish trend here on price. And in the 30 minutes time frame, as you can see here on the left hand side, there is too many resistance. Can price react heavy? So you guys need to be aware of on buying gold. So for me, if I want to buy gold, I'm gonna wait for the top 4451, or if this broke, go to 4,200 area. It's gonna be a good idea to buy gold. Those area 4,200, 4,300 area. That's gonna be a good idea. Try make sure you like the stream. Can I see 20 likes, 15 likes in the stream here? Like the stream, everybody. All right, we still close bullish here. Let's see how this next candle gonna close. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Dug, 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 dug. Dug. Dug, dug, dug. All right, we keep pushing up here. Good idea here. Good idea. Let's see. We just need resistance form to take trade. Eric, how you doing? What's up? What's up? How's the trading? How's your trading journey so far, bro? How's the journey? Best trade last week? How much you made, Eric? How much? You made 5 figs, 6 figs? Holy. Oh, securing 5 figs, huh? Securing 5 or 6. Got some green. Wow, nice one, Risk. W. W. I don't been seeing them payouts. Yeah, payout is coming soon. Made around 3,500 last month. So yeah, that's gonna be dub. This month I'm up 3K on the account. I'm up 3K. I am up 3K on the account this month, probably. And yeah, gonna withdraw that. Crazy John. Yeah, it was crazy, but I lower my risk there, so yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Oh, 15 minutes, no top wick here. Can we top 4, 6, 7, 9 and react? We need to react. We need to react. Bro, gold is scary. Yeah, it is scary. That's why I told you guys lowering your lot size, lowering your risk. If you're risking 1%, you should risk 0.5 or 0.25%, 0.1%. Because stop loss is gonna be wide, bro. It's gonna be 100, 200 pips stops. And yeah, that's the new of gold right now. That's the new reality of gold. So we need to adapt. How we're going to adapt? By lowering the lots, lowering the risk. Because in one trade, if you over lots, if you over risk, gang, my blue hole account, my blue hole account. Red folders week, let's see. Uh, yeah, we have a PMI later tonight. NFP also will come Friday. Tuesday we have Joel's job opening. Wednesday ADP. Thursday, man, monetary policy statement. What is this? It's on euro. Unemployment claims. Okay, nice. On Friday, NFP. Would you look at that? Goldie, Goldie. We hit 1K. There's a giveaway. Yeah, you're the one will give the giveaway. You're the one's gonna give giveaway, Eric. You're up 6 figs. He's up 6 figs, gang. He's the one gonna give giveaways here. Eric, the one gonna give USDT here. Oh, 360 pip. And what's that? What is that? $4 minutes for Goldie. Yeah, this kind of, you know, for the day, yeah, we in my range here. In my range. here. I don't think we can flip bullish today. I don't think. We might stay bearish. This 4-hour candle can go up here, stay in the range for the rest of the day. Hi. So chat, I might call it stream here. Nothing for us here today. So I probably gonna wait here for a new resistance form. Let's see if we're gonna top 4690. But right now, there's no beno for us. So if you guys gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have a stop loss. Don't overtrade, don't over risk, gang. Gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love. W's all the way out.
I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. When you judging me, you judge yourself. Ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. And if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are his best word. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that he loves you and he can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Ay, I'm so happy I'm alive